You're not broke because everything got expensive. You're broke because everything became a monthly payment. Companies realize they don't need you to afford the full price. They just need you to afford the next 30 days. And that changed everything. A new phone costs $1,200. Almost no one pays that. Instead, you pay $35 a month for 3 years, sometimes longer. By the end, you've paid more than the phone is worth. And the moment it's paid off, a new model arrives. The cycle restarts, and you upgrade without ever really finishing. You never bought a phone, you subscribed to one. And it isn't just phones. Cars work this way now. Mattresses, furniture, glasses, even some appliances. Almost everything expensive has been quietly redesigned into a monthly payment. The price tag stopped being the point. The payment stream is. Here's the shift. When you sell someone a product once, the relationship ends at checkout. When you sell them a monthly plan, the relationship never ends at all. That's not a small change. It's the most profitable transformation in modern consumer business, turning a finished sale into an open-ended subscription. The customer used to walk away with the product. Now the company walks away with the customer. The strange part is how good it feels. A $1,000 phone sounds expensive. $35 a month sounds reasonable. The total is identical. The feeling is completely different. This is how modern affordability works. Not by lowering the price, but by stretching it until the real cost disappears into the background of your monthly bills. You can suddenly afford more. You also quietly owe more. Both things happen at the same time. And there's something else, hidden underneath. When you finance the phone, you don't really own it during the payment period. Miss a payment, and it can be locked, restricted, or repossessed. The device is in your hand, but functionally, it belongs to the contract. That logic is spreading. Cars that disable features remotely, software that stops working without a subscription, appliances tied to apps that require accounts. Ownership used to mean possession, now it means permission. Step back and the pattern becomes clear. Modern life is shifting from buying things to renting access to them. Quietly, gradually, across almost every category. People feel like they have more than ever. Better phones, nicer cars, more services, more access. But less and less of it is actually theirs. The economy didn't get cheaper, it got smoother, easier to enter, harder to ever fully leave. So the next time the new phone arrives, sleek, fast, irresistible, remember what you're really buying. Not the device, not the technology, not even the experience. The product is the payment, and the payment is designed to never end.